Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5058499, if you're facing this problem, that is when you type in the number in front of it, dot appears, or when you type in the number 2 or number 3, so instead of number, if dot is appearing, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Many users are facing this problem after installing this update, so you can uninstall this update. So click on Windows Update and then go to Updates History, and then scroll down. Here you can see Uninstall Updates. Go to Uninstall Updates. Over here you can see KB5058499. In front of it you will see Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall. Uninstall. Let the uninstall complete. This process will take some time, and once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. And restart is a must after this. After the system restart, when you restart the computer, after the system restart, again go to Windows Update, and then you can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 week. You can select the date, the time over here. So pause the update. You can select the time period, and then once you pause the update, you can start using Word. And in future, whenever you want to resume the update, maybe after a week, 2 week, if you want to get the future update, you can always click on resume updates. Still you're facing the problem, in that case you can perform system restore. So type in system restore in Windows search box, and then click on create a restore point, and then you can click on system restore over here, and then click on next, and you have to select the date and time on which date you were not facing the problem. So suppose you started facing this problem today, you can select the date and time for yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. So you have to select the time on which date you were not facing the problem, and then you can click on next, and then you can click on finish. The system restore will take some time, and then once that is done, log into the computer and then you can check. That should fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.